Water. You can't live without it, but living with it can be a challenge. Water can particularly be a challenge when it leaks through concrete structures, undermining their strength and durability. CGI Northeast has an innovative waterproofing system that eliminates water leakage in basement foundation walls and floors, cellars, parking garages, and vaulted areas, without the need of costly and disruptive exterior excavation. CGI, or concrete gel injection, is performed through the interior side or negative side of the structure by drilling holes and then injecting a two-component hydrophilic resin system that has water-like viscosity and chemically reacts to form a flexible, water-sealing gel through the process of polymerization. Here's how the CGI waterproofing system works. First, the two liquid components are prepared and then poured into two separate containers. Next, a cup test is performed to determine the setting time of the gel based on the specific application. In this particular application, an underground parking garage located below sidewalk level plant or garden areas has active groundwater intrusion present. The gel must set within 5 to 7 seconds to combat this active water leakage. Two separate plastic cups containing equal amounts of component A and component B are poured into another cup. Component A consists of a methyl acrylate resin mixed with a certain amount of an accelerator that adjusts the setting time of the resulting gel. Component B is tap water mixed with a very small amount of catalyst or hardener. The catalyst makes the chemical reaction take place to create the gel that is odorless, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly. As you can see, the resulting gel is occupying the volume of the two liquids combined. It does not expand like a urethane foam. This fast setting time and water-like viscosity are unique characteristics of the CGI waterproofing system that no one else can offer. Once the water entry points are identified, holes are drilled near the crack. One hole is drilled in straight through and the other hole is drilled at an angle to combine with the previously drilled hole. The depth of the holes will be determined by the mechanics, depending on the specific application at hand. Specialized manual twist-in injection tools are inserted within these holes. The pressure from the hydraulic pump pushes the two liquid components from the bends through the injection hoses and injection tools and forced through the holes. Our specialized hydraulic pumps that can pump out at pressures exceeding 3,000 psi, along with the capability of this extremely fast gel setting time, is essential in combating the high hydrostatic pressures when dealing with active groundwater intrusion. Instantly, you can see the existing water within the crack being pushed out. Within moments, the chemical reaction begins between the two liquid components, A and B, and combines with the existing groundwater to create a sticky and flexible gel with tremendous adhesion, even within wet, actively leaking cracks. You can see this injection waterproofing process three-dimensionally in section as the two liquid components penetrate deeply and combine to form a gel. After several injections, a certain radius of gel formation will be visible along the cracks, further away from the point of injection, as the entire volume and depth of the cracks is sealed off within this established radius. The injection procedure will then continue to the next nearby bored holes. After the process of drilling and injection has been completed, the cracks have been completely sealed off with the gel from top to bottom, and the groundwater from the previously active leaking crack has been completely eliminated. The previously bored holes are closed off with hydraulic cement. Similarly, as with the underground parking garage located below planter gardens, a resident storage room is located in the cellar level below sidewalk exterior landscaping. The water infiltration is migrating through various cracks on the foundation walls, and particularly between the top of the concrete wall to brick wall interface along the entire perimeter walls. With this particular application, single 1-inch diameter holes are bored. A specialized patented automatic injection tool is utilized where one smaller tube inside of a larger diameter tube will be inserted into the 1-inch diameter hole. Utilizing compressed air, its nozzle will fit tightly within the hole. The hydraulic pump will force the two liquid components A and B, each liquid component is pumped in separately through each tube, with pressure through the cracker joint. The injection procedure will continue within the same bored hole. Within seconds, the liquid penetration and the resulting gel formation will become visible in the nearby vicinity of the point of injection. After the injection procedure is completed at a particular injection hole, the auto-injection tool is removed and the nozzle will be cleaned with the compressed air and be ready for the next injection at the next bored hole. The compressed air will also clean the concrete dust within the hole. The CGI system can also be utilized in waterproofing concrete floor slab cracks and joints. The concrete floor slabs, which report on top of the soil, develop stress cracks that allow groundwater to migrate through and into the interior space. Holes are drilled next to the floor cracks, and then the injection process is performed. This waterproofing injection system can also be performed through brick and stone walls and vaults. The CGI technology can be implemented to seal the foundation walls and structural slabs of Con-Ed vaults and tree pits. In addition, the CGI waterproofing can be performed to seal water intrusion around pipe penetrations, such as electrical service conduits, gas and water mains, between the core and the pipe. CGI Northeast also has a specialized patented injection tube with a small nozzle to seal the water that is intruding between cables, such as electrical, telephone, and cable lines within the pipe sleeves. This space is referred to as the annulus between the cables and the sleeve. Over the last decade, CGI Northeast has successfully completed over 300 projects throughout the tri-state New York metro area. Our innovative waterproofing system has been utilized by many management companies and has been performed in many cooperative and condominium buildings. Our system is approved by many reputable New York City architectural and engineering firms. Some notable building locations include the 5th Avenue Apple Store, the General Motors Building, 120 Wall Street, 125 Park Avenue, the Helmsley Medical Tower of New York Presbyterian Hospital, and the New Yorker Hotel. The CGI waterproofing system has been utilized in correcting water intrusion in elevator pits and swimming pools. CGI technology has also been used to waterproof concrete structures in tunnels, nuclear plants, water tanks, the NASA Cape Canaveral rocket launch pad, and the SeaWorld Aquarium in the Disney World Epcot Center in Orlando, Florida. Let CGI Northeast implement its technology to provide a guaranteed solution for correcting water leakage economically and efficiently. For more information, please visit our website at cginortheast.com or call 718-937-2800.